Hello and good day to you. Today's video we'll be making a greeting card using the technique of printing, using printables. So this technique is nice for those that don't have printer or that just want to make a quick card or that have pictures or want to make use of them at home. I'll be using this printable. There's a printables, and this printable is by Hunky Dory. It's part of the little book. It's called, this one is Delightful Verse. I'll be using one of them for me. This one is filled up with verses. So 9 A6 verses. And I'll be using Delightful Wings to one from it. They contain 144 images. Or pages. It's 144 pages. Okay. Then I'll be using this gold card stock to mirror card stock to do my matting and layering, and this one is still by Hunky Dory. It matches the printable perfectly. You can see just matte and layer. So if you get that, you can just, if you get a little book, you can get this mirror board. If you get a little book, you can get this along. This mirror board, mirror card of 144, and this little book is 144. So when you buy both of them together, you'll be able to matte and layer fast. We need our liquid glue. We need scoreboard and cardstock 350 GSM. I'm using hammered card, but you can use any card of your choice. I've already printed my logo at the back. So you need the scoring tool for the scoreboard. And this is not necessary, but I just want to use it. I'm still contemplating if I'm going to use it. As we progress with design, we'll see. So printable, you see I have this on the blog for free. You can download it, make whatever you want to make and sell. Then this is a die. I just want you to cut the rectangle shape that I'll use in layering in. But you don't, if you don't have, there's no problem. So we'll see if we want to use it in our design, or if we don't, if our design is going to go without it. Okay. So as we progress. And if I'm going to use that die to cut it, I will need a die cutting machine and its cutting plate. But if not, we've not decided yet if we're going to use that. So let's just continue with the actual design. Okay, so I'll score now. I want to score it on the A4 gate, on the gatefold, A4 gatefold line. Score line. Okay, it's supposed to be from the back. Sorry, I'm going to score it from the back. That's how it's supposed to be. And you folding. Alright. So when you fold it in, then burnish to make it make the ninth edge. And okay. So I have a very large card now. This should be like 8 inches or 7 inches or so, 7 inches square or so. It's not 7.5. The measure. So here we have it with this little flap. We're going to work here. So the design, just a simple design, just a little one that you can make quickly. We just want to enhance the technique. Then you can go. Then you can be creative and do your own advanced design. It's just this 30 days of greeting card, or say it with greeting card, is just to go with how do I put this now? This 30 days of greeting card is just to display different techniques in greeting card design and making. Okay, so that's just it. So I'll put this, if I put this one on top like that, I can put this one inside for the verse. Then if you want to, you can put a ribbon at this end. If you want to, you can just make it simple like that, and then you have your printable greeting card, printed greeting card. And as you know, if you do it like this, okay, you can even, so that they'll know that there's a design at the back, you can put it, should be directly on top, that's all, but it should be from in here, so that I can fix properly. With this one, just a little design on it, and then you can sell it. You can sell it, especially if you're making charity cards. Okay, you know, those cards, you don't want to make an expensive card. As we differ with income, so those cards differ with price. So if you want to make one that can just be picked off without much effort and also much expense on it, then it's nice. You can make it A5 if you want to, and so that's what we're going to do. So that's what I was thinking, if we do it like this, and I was thinking of putting this inside and layer it on top. Okay, so I'll go with it. I'll have to cut this one out. I think I like this one. So I'll go with it, cut it out. Okay, that's fine. So I'll put this little one here, good. And I'll cut a little strip out from it, and I can just attach it like this, and I will have a very beautiful card. So let me go with that. So with that, I'll need my die cutting machine and this cutting mat. But like I said, if you don't want to go with this design, it's up to you. We are just displaying techniques. You do what you want, what suits you. If you don't want to go, you can emboss the card. The card's already embossed. The one I'm using is already embossed, the hammer card. So if you don't want that, you can just do your own embossing on the card. If it's plain, you can just emboss it. So, okay. So I'm gonna put this, and we're going to cut this one out. I just need to layer the inside, just to make the inside a bit different. Okay, I'm using 0 because of the cutting mat I'm using. I'm using a grand caliber cutting mat for, yes, the cutting mat for the grand caliber. And this is a crossover die cutting and embossing machine by Tattered Leaf. The great thing is this knob, it enables you to use different heights of cutting mat with it, as far as they have the same width. So here we go, I've already cut it out. So here we go, I've already cut it out. And I hope it's the right one I used. Is it the right die or the wrong one? Okay. Oh, I used the wrong die. I think I used the wrong die. Yeah, I did. I used the wrong one. Okay, I've already cut it out. So this one is still 9. Let me see. Okay, if I place it in here, I used the wrong die, so I'll just go with that. And let me see. Let's build our design and see if we're going to like it. Whoops. All right, then I can add this one at this end here and make it yeah, okay. All right, so I'll go with it like that. and we'll start gluing. So let me glue. Still thinking, should I like so? A bit. Oh, it should come out. Not to stress ourselves too much. I think it should come out. Okay. So I'll put it out. Now I'm using liquid glue. Once I glue it down, that's it. Okay. So there's this one out here. I'll leave a little white showing because it's kind of nice to have a little border around. Press firmly and smoothing any air bubble out. And remove any air bubble, and that's it. So this is how the card is going to stand. Okay, it's right side. So now I'll need to glue. I'll place the glue on my don't need to scratch on it. Okay. So we've glued this. I'm going to place this one in first and see. Okay, this one is here in a bit because I wanted to show. I want them to, the person I'm going to give this to, the lucky person, I want them to know that they have two in there. Okay, I think that's all right. So I just glue this in. Apply the glue. Have to be fast. Shift it a little. I want it to be from a little from the white, so that it won't be as if the white is off. So I want it to touch the white a little. And I have to be careful because I've used glue. I don't want any glue showing on this other side. So this is fine. It says, "May your happily ever after be filled with fun, joy, love, and laughter." Okay, so now I have to glue this one, and I'm going to glue this one so close. Why I'm doing that is to make up for this white edge, and I want to just make it a bit beautiful. I think I like it like that. Then if you have ribbon, you can just tie ribbon here if you want it, but I don't want to put ribbon because not everyone loves ribbon, okay? So I'm going to put the glue in here at the back of this, and you have a quick card. I'm not using ribbon because we have ribbon craft coming up and we're going to use ribbon for it. I don't want to run out of ribbon when it's time for that. So let me wait for that before I use the ribbon. Okay, so I'll go. Alright, so here we have it. Have to be careful. Okay, so we have a nice one, and you can see the nice border. Good. If you want to, you can cut a snip of that and put it here and just build up your design to whatever you want. So for this one, the trick is that you don't put the glue all over it. You have to put the glue on one side. Okay, so this side is going to go like that. So we don't have to put it everywhere. We just have to put it, let me just say 1/4 of it is all right. To be safe, 1/3 or 1/4. Okay, so sorry, I don't know even saying that. So to be safe, I'm just going to put it on that side. And then we place it. All right, that's it. Okay, you can see. All right, that's fine. So that's our card. It's simple, easy, and it opens up, shows you have the sentiment in it. If you want to put a ribbon, you can put. If you want to put flowers, like punched flowers or something, you can put it here. You can put ribbons there. That's up to you. But I'm just trying to make something quick and easy. You can add ribbons, you can add flowers, you can do whatever you want. So we're just trying to go with techniques. That's why I'm trying to make them simple so that the techniques stand out in the card making, in the greeting card we're designing. So here we go. This is for this one. So this one I made for this another type that I've made. You can see it. You can see the panel I put in there, the same this, and we have, it's just a blank card. You can write your name. So to make blank cards, you can just do to make blank card and put a panel of the silver. This one is an A4. I cut just cut a strip from it and glue it to the insert of the card. But I didn't score this on gatefold. No, I didn't score it on gatefold. I used another scoreboard for that. I just measured and scored. I placed this topper on it and decided where I want to score, and I just scored there. So that was how I got this one. I can't remember the dimension now. So that's for that. So this is our card. Okay. So you can make any one you want. You can make it. And make it, you can see it's so I like it's just beautiful, so fine, nice, simple. Okay, so this one is plain. So have fun, and until the next video. So happy crafting and have fun until the next video. Take care for now. Bye bye. You can see the card. You can see how nice it is. So if it's been opened out, you see the sentiment is in there. And you have this one.